Recently, a video went viral of an attorney here in Colorado calling one of the judges on the Court of Appeals panel that he was arguing before, honey.
Let's go with what happened in the case.
But honey, or, oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, that, I don't know what to say to that.
What do I think about that? First of all, you should understand what it's like practicing in front of the Court of Appeals. It is incredibly nerve-wracking.
I get a little nervous. I'm getting better.
Okay. Most attorneys making oral argument to the court practice their argument for weeks, if not months. You only get a certain amount of time to argue, and that argument is interrupted over and over again by the panelists, who are often playing devil's advocate, asking questions, challenging the arguments that you're making. So first of all, I feel really bad for this guy. We all say things that we don't mean to say. It was obviously an accident, and he was obviously thrown off. In fact, one of the first responses I have is that he should have moved on. During those Court of Appeals arguments, because you're constantly getting interrupted, constantly having to switch from one topic to another as judges ask you different questions, you have to be ready to move to the next topic. And so when that accident happened, the judge pretty clearly wanted him to keep going.
I apologize.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
She didn't want to continue what was an awkward moment, but he didn't. He couldn't, unfortunately, and he kept making a bigger and bigger deal out of it.
The question here is what happened. I'm sorry, I've just been totally thrown by
I can
mistake.
imagine. I can imagine.
The other problem for him is that he was talking to a female judge, a white male talking to a female judge. I'm sure he's horrified, but it does, I'm sure, it did bring up issues for the judge that she's been grappling with her entire career. I have too. Can't tell you how many times I've gone to a professional conference with coworkers and been asked if I'm a paralegal at the firm. It's that type of thing, and it hurts every time it happens. Now, that said, I have no doubt that this judge was able to put that aside. The judges on our Court of Appeals have nothing but the highest of integrity, and I'm sure she made decisions as was appropriate in the case. And by the way, based on how she was questioning him, he probably lost.